The very first step which we're supposed to do, in the first example, we have to convert the whole expression to fraction. Okay, so I'm going to have 4x to minus 5 over 1. Remember, we said anytime we have negative exponents in the numerator and we want to convert them to positive, we're supposed to bring that negative exponent with the number down to the denominator. And automatically this negative exponent becomes positive. So take a look what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to take this x to negative 5th power and bring this to the denominator. I'm going to have 4 over x to the 5th. Remember, anytime we move negative exponent from the numerator to the denominator, automatically the sign is going to change from negative to positive. So this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at another example. You're supposed to keep in mind that any number different than 0 raised to power 0 is equal 1. So in this case, 25 to 0 is equal 1. Let me copy down everything whatever left. I have x to negative 2. Now, y has no exponent. Remember, anytime there is no exponent, there is always invisible 1. So I'm going to make over here invisible 1 visible. So I'm going to have y to the first power, and I'm going to have z to the negative 4th power. Remember, anytime we want to convert negative exponents which are in the denominator to positive, we're supposed to bring that numbers with that exponents to the numerators. Automatically the negative exponent becomes positive. So I'm going to take x to negative 2 to the numerator. Okay, I'm going to take this one and bring this up, and I'm going to have also z to negative 4 in the numerator because I want to convert that negative sign to positive. I don't touch y because y has positive exponent already, okay? So I'm going to have x to the 2nd power, and I have z to the 4th power over y. Someone is going to ask, what happened with 1? 1 times this expression is equal to this expression. That's why this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I have negative exponents. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to convert this expression to fraction. I'm going to have x to minus 7 times y to negative 2 over 1. We said anytime we want to convert negative exponents to positive, which are in the numerator, we have to bring that numbers or variables to the denominators. That's why I'm going to take these two variables with exponents to the denominator. That's why I'm going to have 1 over x to 7 y to the 2nd power. Someone is going to ask from where I got this 1. Okay, you have to remember that anytime we do not have any integer multiplied to the variable or any other number, there is always invisible 1. Anytime you are going to move these two variables to the denominator, automatically this invisible 1 becomes visible. That's why this is the answer to my problem.